Wala mang boses si Karen sa umaga, di pa rin napigilan ng teen housemates ang pagdirit.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. But I grew strong. But I learned how to get along. So now you're back from my space. I'm just walking to find you here with that sad look upon your face. Should change that to belong. I should have made you leave me. But if I had known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Oh, no, not I. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know that love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live. I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive.
Ang girls diretso sa pag-intriga sa performer.
Ba't mo gusto si Kit?
Next question, please.
Karen, bakit maganda ka?
Why you, sir? Why so you? Why you, sir?
Karen, baka naman ibig mong sabihin, why do you think so? Don't you think so? Ang boys todo naman ang pagturo sa kasama.
Paano ba? Ganyan. Ito. Hold proper. Ikaw, right. Ganyan lang. Dito. Ito may hinihingi mo. Dito, ganyan. Oo. Tapos, pakababa mo. Taas. Oo. Oh.
Roy, ang dami mo namang trainers. Pag hindi pa lumaki ang katawan mo, ewan ko na lang.